In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to edit product details in Shopify. Step 1. Adding a new product. Start by navigating to your Shopify dashboard and clicking on Products. Next, click Add Product. Here, you can input the title, description, and upload images. After you're finished, click Done. Step 2. Customizing product details. You can easily adjust the pricing, assign a product category, and add relevant information such as colors, shipping options, and product organization details. Once you're satisfied with your entries, click Save. Step 3. Customizing the online store. After creating the product, navigate to the online store and click Customize to make further edits. Here, you can update the product title, price, and quantity. Additionally, you can customize the thumbnail settings from the right side menu and enable or disable options such as the Buy Now button or quantity selectors. Step 4. Finalizing adjustments. After making all your changes, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit product details in Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.